With fall comes cooler temperatures and warmer drinks. It's apple season and I'm showing you how to make apple cider from scratch, no special equipment required. This recipe starts with 10 apples of your choosing, whatever variety you like, whatever looks best, whatever's on sale. I'm using these beautiful red delicious apples. These were the most affordable in the store, so we're gonna be able to whip up a big batch of apple cider. It's gonna have our house smelling so good. I've washed my 10 apples and now I'm just gonna quarter them. You can leave the core in it because it's all gonna get strained out at the end. You wanna leave the skins on. That's gonna help create a beautiful color to our apple cider. I mean, it's easy just to begin with, knowing that you don't have to take the core out. Great thing about this recipe is it can be served hot or cold. I'm probably in the minority here, but when it comes to winter drinks, and if I've got the option between the hot chocolate and the apple cider, I choose the apple cider. A lot of times you'll see apples go on sale by the bag. Pick up a couple bags, whip this up, or if you've got some that are about to go bad, another great use for them. I think I underestimated the amount of apples I'm cutting. I gotta get a bigger pot. That's better. Place all your apples in the pot and then just fill it with water. You want the water to go up about 2 inches above the apples. That's the hardest part. To that, I'm just adding in some sugar, cinnamon, and allspice. That's what I love about apple cider, are those warm spices that just fill the air. I'm gonna stir this up and then we head to the stove. All we do is just bring it to a boil and then let it cook uncovered on a simmer for about an hour, and then I'll cover it and let it go 2 more hours. I wish you could smell what is cooking. All that's left to do is put it through 2 straining processes. First, we're just gonna strain out all the solids that are in there. I'm gonna kind of grab out all of the cooked apples and just kind of press out any leftover juice. Gotten out all the big pieces, now I'm just gonna strain the rest, and then you're just gonna discard what's left. Look at the color. You can see the little bits of spices floating through. And then we're gonna pass it again through some cheesecloth. I'm gonna strain it into another pot because I love to serve my apple cider hot, but you can also strain it right into a pitcher and serve it cold. And that, my friends, is hot apple cider. Let's serve it up. Like I said, you can serve it chilled or hot. My favorite way is hot, so that's the way I'm gonna dish it out. A little cinnamon stick garnish. That's perfect. I love how it just started with apples and it's gotten this rich amber color. I really didn't know making apple cider could be so easy. This is the perfect warm treat to bring out at your next fall party. I hope you'll give this recipe a try, and when you do, don't forget to tag me. Happy fall, y'all.